Dreaming of a backyard makeover? From lush gardens to modern outdoor spaces, we've curated the top 10 backyard design ideas to inspire your transformation. In this video, we'll share creative ideas and expert tips to make the most of any backyard, big or small, so you can create your dream outdoor oasis. And stay with us till the end, where we'll share our ultimate pro tip to design a backyard that's beautiful and low maintenance. Let's get started. Backyard garden design ideas. Create a tranquil oasis with water features. Install a small pond with aquatic plants for a serene vibe. Add a waterfall feature for calming background sounds. Place a bird bath to attract wildlife and enhance the scene. Set up solar-powered fountains for an eco-friendly touch. Include reflective stones around water elements for elegance. Maximize space with vertical gardens. Mount wall planters to save ground space and add greenery. Use trellises to grow climbing plants and create privacy. Hang modular shelves with potted herbs and flowers. Install vertical garden kits for an easy, structured look. Decorate with hanging baskets for more visual depth. Design a cozy outdoor lounge area. Arrange comfortable seating with weatherproof cushions. Incorporate a fire pit or chimenea for warmth on cool nights. Add a shaded canopy for sun protection. Place an outdoor rug to define the seating space. Accent with string lights or lanterns for evening ambience. Enhance your garden with raised beds and planters. Construct raised beds for easier gardening and better soil control. Fill planters with seasonal blooms for color variety. Choose wooden or stone planters for a rustic look. Arrange planters in geometric patterns for a modern feel. Position them along paths for a defined garden layout. Transform corners into herb and vegetable patches. Set aside a sunny spot for growing kitchen herbs. Plant vegetables in neat rows for organized harvesting. Label plants with DIY tags for a personal touch. Use companion planting techniques to optimize growth. Incorporate a small compost area nearby for nutrients. Which backyard style do you love, modern minimalist or lush garden? Comment your choice for a detailed video or ask any design questions for the answers you need. Bring in color and fragrance with flower borders. Line walkways with fragrant flowers like lavender and roses. Mix perennials with annuals for year-round blooms. Add flowering shrubs to fill empty spaces. Select native flowers for a sustainable garden approach. Layer colors to create a vibrant floral tapestry. Craft secluded nooks for relaxation and privacy. Install lattice screens or bamboo dividers for seclusion. Add a hammock or hanging chair for relaxation spots. Grow tall grasses or shrubs around sitting areas. Incorporate ivy-covered trellises for natural shade. Place a reading bench surrounded by flowering plants. Build charming pathways with unique materials. Lay stone or brick pathways for a classic look. Add gravel paths with stepping stones for a rustic feel. Use wooden planks or pallets for a budget-friendly option. Incorporate mosaic tiles for an artistic touch. Light up paths with ground lanterns or solar lights. Design a night garden with glowing plants and lighting. Choose white or pale flowers that reflect moonlight. Install LED lights under plants for a glowing effect. Add fairy lights to trees and shrubs for magic at dusk. Incorporate reflective garden spheres for extra shine. Place luminescent stones along pathways for a mystic touch. Attract wildlife with a biodiverse garden plan. Plant native flowers and shrubs for pollinators. Install bird houses and feeders to welcome feathered friends. Place small logs or rocks as habitats for insects. Grow fruit trees for natural food sources. Add a bee garden to support local species. Now that you've seen all 10 backyard garden design ideas, which one would you love to try? Or do you have your own makeover idea? Share it in the comments, we'd love to hear from you.